Hello, everyone. I hope you have been safe, happy, in love with whomever, whatever it may be, and remembering to make memories. Today, this is a short I bought that and also a DIY video. This bag that we're looking at is called a messenger bag. I got it off of Amazon for like $2 and some change. It comes with three different compartments. It comes with a handle as well that you're going to see me take out. You can put that around your shoulder or your wrist, and that part can go on the bike, or it can also go on your wrist or your arm, or however you want to hold it that feels comfortable for you. Honestly, I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but I end up using it as a bag to keep all my nail clippers and nail files and stuff all together. And also, I keep my top and bottom coat, like my favorite kind, in the front pocket. All right, this me with my nails. I've already filed them and all that good stuff. I'm gonna put the base down, and I will say that this video is at least about 4 or 5 months old from today that I am editing this. This is August the 17th, 2020. And I had to have done this back like in February or March or something like that. But this is my first time ever doing my gel nails. Y'all probably have seen some of my other stuff where I'm getting a little better with practice. I'm not a nail tech, so just bear with me learning. Everything was closed, so I had to take matters into my own hands. This is color 383 and 364 in the Beetle gel. That's when I had just got it. I've used this a bunch of times by now, today, like in real life. But I chose those two different colors because I wanted to do like alternating colors. I just wanted to see how they spread. And I guess I'll hush and just let y'all see how they came out. As you can see, I'm trying to clean up the overlay, because with gels, now knowing from practice, you want to make sure you don't go too close to the cuticle. You want to stay like more on the cuticle bed, if that makes sense, because if you let it go all the way to the ends like I've done here, it's not going to last so long. It will lift, and gel lifting is not good, but I'm going to clean all that up a little later. But I still spreaded it a little too wide, and I learned that with trial and error.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
Okay, so right here I decided to do the middle finger a little differently by putting pink, and I put Yokoshun 003 on just the middle finger.
Trees inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it.
Alright, and then now we're gonna go in with the second coat. They prefer you to do 2 to 3 coats with most gel polishes, but really and truly with the Yokoshun and the Beetles, 1 coat is sometimes enough. 2 is just for like, you know, complete coverage. But it's pretty thick. It lays very well. And just like I said, I've been playing around with them for at least 5 months now. So I love them. Now that is my favorite top and bottom coat. And I'll make sure I have all this listed in the description below. Like how to get it, so you'll know how much they cost and all that good stuff. But I'm putting the top coat on now. And I'm going to put them back up under the light. And this is the finished product. You can see what I mean by going over a little too far. But, you know, this was me months ago. And I got Jazz and did my toes, too. They came out okay, but I still went too far over with that as well. But, you know, we learn from our mistakes.